Hi guys, how are you guys? Do you miss me? I miss you so much. Welcome to my channel, to all my existing friends, my best friends. I love you so much. And to all my new friends, welcome to my channel. Let's be friends and let's get connected. Okay, today I have some snacks to show you. Okay, see what is this? Yeah, fresh, juicy, sweet strawberries. And for the dipping sauce, I'm using Anlin strawberry yogurt. Yeah, let's get started. Before that, remember to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and write some comments in the description below of today's what I'm eating, any suggestions or ideas. Okay, remember to click the subscribe button, okay, and the link Paulinecpk ASMRi, subscribe, bling, okay. Okay, let's get started. I'll let you see the strawberries. You see the strawberries, it's so sweet, juicy, ooh, fresh, nice. And I have this Anlin strawberry. Yeah, it's a low fat. So oops, for dipping sauce. Okay, all right, let's get started. Let me peel. Wow. See, yogurt. Wow. Smells wonder. Can I peel it? Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Good. I put it here to let you see, guys. And going to dip. I'll let you see. Strawberries with yogurt. Have a first bite, guys. Okay, my turn. Wow, it's so cold. So sweet. So juicy. Wow. Mmm. Good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Good. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. So messy. Hmm. Guys, last bite, fresh strawberry with yogurt. Sorry, yogurt. Tipis-tipis luôn. Wow. Ooh. Mm. Mm. Good. Finish. Remember, I've tried this one, very nice. And lean, and let me see this. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm in love with today's snacks. Yummy. Okay, do you like my today's snacks? Strawberry with strawberry yogurt. Okay, if you like, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and write at the description box below. Okay, and hope we can get support each other more frequently and get connected. Okay, I just love to be with you all, and I like to communicate with you guys. I like to chat with you all. Hope I have more and more chance to chat with you. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe. Okay, all right, bye guys, I love you.